Hello and welcome to IELTS Skills Tips, and in these bite-sized learning short videos today I'll be looking at IELTS Reading Test, how to deal with synonyms. For IELTS veterans it comes as no surprise, but for novices doing the test for the first time they can come away thinking, is this a reading or vocabulary test? Granted, the test does test your skimming and scanning abilities, but it's also quite an extensive test of your vocabulary knowledge, and in particular, your awareness and knowledge of synonyms. Let's look at a simple example. This is the matching headings question type, and the heading is Aviation Disaster Prompts Action. The section of the test where the answer is located reads, an accident that occurred in the skies over the Grand Canyon resulted in the establishment of the FAA to regulate and oversee the operation of aircraft over the skies of the USA. So the synonyms, first of all, disaster. Can you see it? Accident. Aviation, another synonym, in the skies. Prompts, resulted in. So you can see the extensive use of synonyms here. Let's move on and look at some tips on how to deal with synonyms. Now, first of all, I want to highlight what I call is quite a dodgy strategy called matching words. This is where students are advised to highlight the keywords in the questions and then try to match them in the text. If they're lucky enough to find the keywords, they read around these for the answer. However, this is virtually impossible to do because of the extensive use of synonyms like we saw in the previous example. Granted, you can match numbers and names, but the problem with this is that they occur many times in the text. So instead of matching keywords, when you do highlight the keywords in the questions, always try to think of their synonyms. Another tip when it comes to dealing with synonyms relates to how you keep your vocabulary records. When you do source new words from whatever source you like, always include a synonym next to the recorded word. Not only will this increase your vocabulary, but it'll put you in a better position to answer the questions in the IELTS reading test.